Hey guys, Mario Pony here. So anyways, this is my first salute on Alex the Honking Bird. Let's start the salute. Alex the Honking Bird. Wow! This user is great. This user is awesome. This Alex honk. This bird honks. This is so cute. Alex and Dominic at E3. Wow, I hope they enjoyed it. Pikachu just meet Alex. Wow, that's so cute. That bird has a... Alex has a bird bath or Dominic, I don't know. But nice bird bath. Alex has meet a new friend. Wow, so cute. I like Alex the honking bird. You know who likes Alex the honking bird? SpongeBob from SpongeBob SquarePants. Why he likes Alex the honking bird? Because he is great. Yeah, he is great. He is a great bird because SpongeBob likes Alex the bird. You know who hates Alex the honking bird? Mojo Joe from Powerpuff Girls. Mojo Joe from Powerpuff Girls. Why he hates Alex the honking bird? Because he cannot stand that honking no more. That's why. Alex the honking bird rocks. Steffi B UTTP. Steffi B UTTP sucks.